ating mga Inglesero. Nahirapan na, umupisa pa lang. Pinahirapan naman ako ng mga Charis. Mga Inglesero to. At dahil dyan, let's play.
Si Sidra, tanungin mo, mag-iilokano yan.
Hello!
Agyamanak ka ng Sidra.
Okay. Please form a circles, ate and kuyas. I will put here cup. Okay. So we will just play trip to Jerusalem, but in other way. The trip to Jerusalem is using a chair, but this one will use a cup. Okay? Ate Kat, if you can sit down here, no problem. But we will not sit down because it's dangerous. Okay? Ate Kat will play a song. Then you just need to dance.